Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Gary the snake from Zootopia 2. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's draw two large curves up and back down, leaving a gap in between. Now let's close off the bottom with a curve across. Now inside each of the eyes, let's draw a sideways oval. And now to draw the pupil, let's start on top and let's draw an oval around and back up like this. And color these both in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's draw the top of the head. In between the eyes at the top here, let's draw a small curve. Then let's bring it up on each side. And curve it down with a wavy line. Now let's hop underneath and we're going to draw the snout. Let's start in the center and let's draw a curve over and down on each side. Then underneath, let's draw two teardrop shapes for the nostrils. Now underneath, let's draw the mouth, starting with a curve in the center. Now from each side, let's curve it out. Then let's bring it up and down. Now underneath on the left, let's draw the fang by curving it down and back up. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop out and finish drawing the shape of the head. Let's start on each side and let's draw a curve out and down. And then from the left, let's curve it down to the tooth. And continue it on the other side and over. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start on the left and let's draw a wavy line down. And the same thing on the right side. Now from the left, let's bring it down and curve it over. Now from the top line, let's curve it over to the right and down. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a wavy line down along the right side. And then add some curved stripes inside. Now let's hop back down underneath and let's continue the body. Let's start on top on the right and we're going to draw a curve over to the left. And curve it down on the other side. Now from the bottom, let's step out to the left and let's draw a curve across, bringing it up on the right and down. Now from the end, let's curve it over to the left, bringing it down and then over to the right. Now top underneath on the right side, and let's draw a curve down. Then let's bring it across and around to close off the end of the tail. And now to finish off the body, on the left, let's draw one more larger curve down and in. And that's it for the shape of the body. Lastly, let's move in and let's draw some bumps for the scales. And that's it for Gary. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!